everyone, and welcome to the May 2026 Hoop Studio unboxing. I am Jen from Me Time, and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. You know, America's 250th birthday is just around the corner, and so I have a great patriotic embroidery project for you. You're gonna love it. These are our Patriotic Tea Towels, our darling cheesecake design, and the Sweet Land of Liberty design. Let me show you up close some of these details. So we have strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries and cherries on top of our cheesecake design there. And as you can see, we have done a great job of making the strawberry details. The digitizing on that raspberry makes it look just like raspberry seeds. Super fun. And on the cherry, we have some vinyl to give it kind of that little shine that you often see on cherries. And we have this delicate, beautiful plate that the cheesecake is sitting on. Just a beautiful design. I'm excited for you to stitch this one out. And then of course we have to have a fun saying on our tea towel. So this one is the Sweet Land of Liberty. And again, you have all the fun details that you had on the cheesecake. We have the strawberries and the vinyl on the cherries. And instead of raspberries on this one, we've added some fun flowers to represent our summertime patriotic celebrations. So those are some of the fun things that you'll be able to stitch out on these tea towels. Let me show you what you're gonna get in your kit this month. First of all, we're using a couple different colors of red felt. So we've got a darker felt for the raspberries, and we have kind of a brighter felt for our cherries. And we wanted to make sure that those cherries were shiny. So we have a couple of vinyl cuts for you. And we love to add fabric to our kits. So we've got our coconut cream here for our cheesecake, our cinnamon bear that's perfect for our some of our cherries and other fruits. We have, I love this beautiful, delicate design from Poppy Cotton, those florals that just really make the plate on the cheesecake, just elevates it. And then we have kind of the middle of the plate, just a solid blue there. Of course, you're going to get 2 tea towels in your kit. And I love these 1-inch buffalo check tea towels. It makes it really fun for celebrating a summer patriotic event. But I have something really fun to show you that you're gonna get in your kit as well. We'd love to display these tea towels, and there's lots of places you can display them on your oven or your fridge. But in this kit this month, we've added this rustic ladder that you can display one of your tea towels on. It fits right in your kit. You can set your tea towel on it and lean it right up against your kitchen counter, and it just really enhances your display. Really fun. So that's what you're getting in your kit this month. So let me tell you what you're going to get for the giveaway today. We always need stabilizer, and so we have a medium tearaway pre-cuts that you'll get. We also have a gray pinstripe apron. Now, so you could take these designs, these patriotic designs, the cheesecake or the saying, and add it to the apron, and then it just kind of matches your kitchen, right? And then of course we always need paper tape as we are making these fun projects. So that's your giveaway today. So what I want to hear about, to enter, leave a comment and tell me what you're going to do to celebrate America's 250th birthday celebration. So leave that in the comments, and the winner will be announced on Friday. Thank you for joining me. Go enjoy some well-deserved me time.